Guys, what's up? So today in this vlog I'm going to show you how does it look like our road. I'm on my way for my work. As you can see behind me right here, one van completely stuck right over here due to this flood. Let me turn my camera so you guys can see properly. Look at this situations of flood. People are so helpless due to the flood. They are not able to do work because of this flood. As you can see right here, few fishermen, they are catching fish. Right now I am walking on the way for my work. We have to walk approximately 3 kilometers on the way, and then we will reach our destination. In front of me you can see that's my cousin. I'm walking with him. I'm working as a helper to him. Look at this behind me, the background. It's really stressful. Wow. I got totally exhausted. It's really bummer. I'm continuously walking. Everywhere is waterlogged. Look at these dead directions. People are protecting their pond. They are making fence by net gel to protect their fish. Right now water level is knee height. In front of me there is coming to a stranger. I don't know. कहाँ जा बजे भैया? बहुत पानी है। बहुत पानी है। हाँ आराम से जीवा जा, कोनो असुविधा ना हो। जा जा, थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी है रास्ता में। Just I talk to them. Those guys will go 5 kilometers far away. I guided them. There is no need to worry. You can get your directions. You can get your destinations without any fear. Right now more few people coming on the way. Wow. Do you know, after 2 weeks we guys gonna resume our work because of the flood. We are not able to go, but from yesterday water level started decreasing. So right now we can able to walk on the way. But 2 days back it was very complicated because water level was waist height. This is our main road, by the way. There are more people coming from in front of me. कहाँ जाबे भाई मना पानी
তুমি সাইডে যাও
হ্যাঁ 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 আমি ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি কি ভাই ভালো লাগছে পুরা ভালো লাগছে না right now I'm speaking Bengali with some Bengali people कहाँ जाबे भाई मना पानी ठीक है जाओ हैप्पी जर्नी there is no need to worry look at this right here as you can see this is the mango trees half of the tree got submerged under the water and guys let me tell you a little bit about myself because I'm working as a laborer in a construction site with my cousins. Look at him. He is my brother. He is my cousin's brother, by the way. I'm helping him in a construction site. Look at the situations. It's really horrible. People having tough life due to the flood. Look at the other side. This house is properly submerged. People are evacuated their place and they went towards the safe places. This is their fence, and in front of us one guy, he got stuck inside the water. After a long time we guys getting sunny weather right over here. Literally after 3 weeks we are getting sun. Today sun appear, but before 3 weeks it was totally cloudy, overcast, monsoon season. Look at this, water level is so deep. One guy is having bath right over there. Right over here, as you can see, there are few fishermen. They are able to throw their net shell to catch some fish. Hi bro, how are you doing, all of you? কিরকম আছো বা ভালো আছো নি? Everyone trying to ride the boat. These people are having very tough life nowadays due to the flood. Look at the electric torch. It's been more than 3 weeks. There is no any electric power because of the flood. Electric got cut out. Look at that direction as well. There is no one at the home. No. I am still walking on the way right now. Look at these village people. They became so desperate because of this flood. কিছু না ভাই, ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি। Wow, look at here. This house completely sink. People are no here anymore. That size as well. Let me show you some China duck. Here we have China duck. Look at this ice cream vendor vehicle. This is more ducks right over here. Oh yeah, bejan jola se. Look at the situation. I'm still walking. Everywhere over here the waterlogging. People are having really tough life in this village. Actually, this is not my village. It's another village. It's called Borjalanga village. क्या भाई क्या खबर? ठीक बा? हाँ. Look at the people. This house remains safe right now. Oi, Kaku, photo paragraph. Look at this hard work farmer. He is coming back from his work. Really, people have no choice apart from this work, apart from this road. Everyone depends on this road. So guys, I made too much long videos. I'm so sorry for that. So I'm gonna stop my video because already I have been walked 1 kilometers. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe my channel. Bye and see you in the next time.